mai Molly Palmer ydw i, ac rydw i yma yn Summit 2024 yn gweithio am beacons, a mae popeth yn digwydd heddi yn y gate. Mae gyda ni paneli, mae gyda ni talks, mae gyda ni cerddoriaeth, mae gyda ni sesiwn y networking, mae fe gyd yn mynd ymlaen a fi ffili aro.
It's lovely to see younger people and older people connecting in the music industry and connecting those dots between the venues and the acts directly, and also the creatives, and just bridging those gaps to make it easier for people to get bookings and get heard.
I think these events are really, really important in Wales because as someone who grew up as a diverse individual in rural areas, I never saw anybody like me or any pathway into the industry as well. And this is like, 3 days going, here is everything you could ever have and completely for free. It shows you your potential within the industry and inspires a lot of people. It definitely still inspires me.
I think it's really important to get people together. I only started my journey like a year ago, and I started at a similar kind of event, and it just started the snowball for me. So I love coming to these kind of things to meet other people, and it's really important to just keep that journey going.
We just had the talk on if the TikTok has killed music videos and stuff like that. It's nice to hear people be like, just do what you want to do, because everyone's always trying to fit into a trend and everyone's always trying to fit into what the internet wants them to do, whereas these people are just like, just do what you want to do. Don't worry about what anyone else thinks.
Y peth sy'n moyn rhywun i gymryd o'r talk yma heddi yw, gyda TikTok, mae fe'n bwysig i chi jyst fod yn authentic i chi'ch hunan fel artist. Dim achos jyst bod e'n bwysig i fod yn authentic gyda'ch cerddoriaeth y beth, ond i fod yn authentic oherwydd bych chi'n mwynhau creu'r content mwy. Dyle TikTok a social media ddim teimlo fel rhywbeth, oh gosh, mae rhaid fi posto, cael rhywbeth viral, dim na beth sy'n bwysig amdano social media. Mae fe'n tool i allu helpu chi fel artist, ond y peth mwyaf pwysig yw'r caneuon a'r cerddoriaeth i chi'n creu.
Wel, dyna ni, mae Summit drosodd am flwyddyn arall, ac am Summit mae fe di bod. Gobeithio bod chi gyd wedi cael amser hollol anhygoel a di dysgu rhywbeth oeddech chi ddim yn gwybod cyn dod i Summit eleni. Os ydych chi moyn dal lan gyda be ni'n neud gyda Beacons, allwch chi mynd draw i'n wefan beacons.cymru a mi wna i weld ti blwyddyn nesaf yn Summit 2025.